Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I just want to show you another thing that I purchased that finally came through the post. Is the Morphe James Charles brush set. This is the eye brush set. So in the previous video I showed you what I had in the big set, so the James Charles complete set, which is this one. But in this set you do get face brushes and eye brushes as well, but in this one you only get the eye brushes. You do get a concealer brush as well, but that's mainly for the eye brushes. So you get a nice tub, and inside you get all the different brushes that I will show you in a minute what the set looks like. Also, what I want to show you is I picked up some Morphe brushes, which they're not in the James Charles set. They're just like the Morphe brushes, and I just was they had a sale on for a while, and these were in the sale. And to be honest, I needed some face brushes and an eyeliner brush and some sponges, so I thought it'd be a good time to get them. And yeah, let me just show you what I got, and then yeah, it's exciting. What I'll do is I'll show you what the brushes are and what they do, so a bit of description of what they say on the website. So if it's, you know, any good for knowledge and stuff, it'll be easier definitely to just know what they do as well, which is always useful. So okay, so the first one I picked up is the Morphe E1 face brush. So the it's called the E1 Deluxe powder brush. So basically it's an oversized super soft powder brush. It sweeps powder over the face, and it's like great for body bronzer as well. So you can see it's really soft, very thick in as a brush, but very good consistency. So it's very good for like face bronzers, body all over body bronzers, and so powder mainly. And then the next one I picked up is the E44 Morphe brush. So this one, as you can see. This also, it's really good for, basically it's called a Round Deluxe Buffer Brush, and it's perfect for buffing mineral and powder foundation and to give you that flawless finish. So it's dense, it's quite nice because it's quite dense, but very good for powder foundations and everything in powder form that you want to put on your face. So that's really nice as well. So the next one I picked up as well is the Morphe E3 brush. And this is called a precision pointed powder brush. So it's good for sweeping on powder, and great for like high pigmented blushes. So if you've got a really pigmented blush that you want to, you know, put on and things, then it's really good for that. Or even if you got some like baking and everything, you just want to take the powder off your face, it's really good for that. And it's really soft. As you can see, it's really soft. So it's quite versatile as a brush that you can use. The next individual brushes that I picked up is the, so these three were on sale. So them ones, they still are if you go and have a look on the website. We'll link down below in the comment box where you can get them, if you know the Morphe website. And if you go on the sales section, then you can see if they still have them. Some I think have sold out, but you can, you know, they tend to put them quite frequently, so it's good to have a look if you're interested in these brushes. And then the next Morphe brush that I picked up is M127. So it's really cool as a brush. It's an eyeliner brush, but the thing that makes it quite interesting is that it's bent, as you can see. So it's quite cool. It's a bent eyeliner brush, and this is to give you maximum control when using gel or cream eyeliners. So I thought this was quite different, and it's quite good because you just grip it like this, and then it just gives you a precise line. So it's really good for that purpose. And also I picked up sponges. These were on sale, so these three brushes, them, and then the beauty blenders, the sponges. Okay, these are on sale. So the first one, which you can see with this shape, I'm just going to show you a bit more, hopefully you can see it more. And so with this one is called a complexion blending beauty sponge, and it's great for application of full cover foundation to give you that full flawless complexion finish. And then you get I picked up the other one, which is really cool. It's got a different shape, as you can see, and it's flawless beauty sponge, and it's really good for blending complexion products. So you can use it for anything. You can use it for foundation, you can use it to just you know, when you got powder, just blend with your concealer, or when you got powders that you want to, you know, sweep off the face, or just, you know, set the under eye for baking. So you can use these for everything. I just thought they would be good ones to just pick up, you know, for that purpose. And now we're moving on to the Morphe eye brush set, which I'm really excited about. So the first one that you do get in this set is the Morphe 441, which is like this, and it's basically a perfect, so it's a M441 Pro Firm Blending Crease Brush, and it's perfect for seamless transition. So it's got natural bristles, so as you can see, it's really nice. And that's like, these are mainly eye brushes, so this is what this is what I'm gonna show you that is coming in the set. So you won't get any face brushes, but just the eye brushes, which is always good to have. So the next ones that I'm gonna show you, so the next brush I'm gonna show you is the Morphe E62. Now this is really, really cool because it's got that shape, as you can see it. It's like a bit slanted. If I do that, you can see it. It's got that slant, and this is a nose contour brush. So it's the E62 angled nose contouring brush, and it's perfect for laying down and blending out brush products. So when you got nose contour, it just is really good because you can just do this, and it just follows the shape of your nose perfectly. So this is really good for that purpose. And then the next one that you get in the brush set is the M433 brush, which is the Pro Firm Blending Fluff Brush. It's got natural bristles, and it's good for blending eyeshadow easy, but because it's fluffy and firm, it just makes it really good to blend out on the crease area. So that's very good as well for that purpose. And then the next brush you get in the set is the M456, which is this brush here. Okay, so you get that one, and this is great for detailing, blending, and it's really good if you do have like smaller eyes, to just get that crease blending going, you know. So it's really good for that purpose. So you can see this better there. So that's really good for that purpose. And then the next one that is in the set is the M506, which is this brush. It's called a tapered mini blender brush. It's got natural bristles, and it's great for controlling blending and on the outer V. So it's really good for that, controlling the, you know, outer V blending. So I really like, as you can see, all these brushes are so nice and soft. I'm just obsessed with them, really. They're so nice. They're all like very different. They look all the same, but trust me, they're all different. The next one in the set is the M224, which is this one, and this is good for, it's called Oval Camouflage Brush. So this is good for that tackles the inner and outer color placement, and it packs on pigment in the crease. So it's a multi-purpose brush, so you can do different things, you know, with this brush. So it's really good for packing on color on the crease, on the lid, and then it's, you know, very good for tackling all the areas, so in the inner or outer corner of the eyes. And then the next one is the M166 brush. This is the oval shadow brush, and so pretty much is the same kind of thing. So it helps you with this shape to pack on the color, and just to have more control on the color that you're packing on your eyelid, and this is really good for that purpose as well. So the next one is the 124, which is called a firm. So it's a firm shadow brush. It's got natural and synthetic bristles, so you've got a mixture on this brush, and it's great for putting highlighter on your brow bone, so under your brow bone. So basically it's really good when you want to add some detail and just add a bit of light on this area there. So you can really use this one to just follow the shape of the eyebrow. So this is a really great brush to do that with. And the next one you get in the set is the M152, which is this one. As you can see, it's there. And this is a medium chisel fluffy brush. So it's got natural bristles and it's great for packing on colour on the lash, under the lash line. So this is really good for when you want to put eyeshadow under there and just blend it out and give you that nice smoky, intense eyeshadow look. So it's very good for that one, for that purpose. And the next one you get in the set is the M508. So this is a smudger brush. It's got synthetic bristles and it's really good for smush, for smudge. Also the maybe like a liner that you have on your eyelids, or just the liner that you can put on the down on your lower lash line. So that's very good for this purpose. As you can see, it's very different. It's smaller than the others. Just put it like this, and it's just really, but they're so soft but yet firm, so it's very good. Very nice one. The next one is in the collection. There's a M410, which is a flat concealer brush. As you can see, it's really so it's good for cleaning up under your brows. So if you just want to have that nice sharp brow, then definitely you can use this with the concealer and just clean it to clean up all the areas that you need to. It's really nice because it's quite, you know, the way it's cut, but it's very soft in the same time as well, so it's quite easy to work with, as you can see. So that's the other one. Then the next one is the M158, which is the, I'll show you. So basically you get the two sides. So this is the first side of the brush, as you can see, and then this is the other side. So you do get a spoolie with it. So this one, it's an angle liner and spoolie brush, so it's good for, well, it's good for doing your eyebrows, and it's good for doing your, you know, if you want to use it for, you can use it for both. So eyebrows, just give it the shape, and you use it for liner, because it's got that shape, so you can use it for different things. It's a multi-purpose brush, I'd say, but it's nice that you have all in one brush. The next one is the M250-0, and this is the eyeliner brush. As you can see, really teeny tiny. I'm just gonna show you a bit more because it's really small. And this is very good for gel liner application. So as you can see, it's so fine. You're gonna get a really precise, zoom in a bit, a precise line with this, you know, liner on your eye, so you can really have it nice and close to the lash line. So this is all the brushes that I picked up, and this is all the brushes that come in the James Charles Eye Morphe brush set. So they're amazing quality. I haven't used these yet, just because obviously I got them through the post, and I wanted to do show you what it came in the set. So I'm going to do a video on this one as well. So I'm going to show you how I use these and what I use them for, so you can see these put into practice than just me saying what they used for. And yeah, I think these are really good. So this small set of this just the eye brushes comes in so price wise is £59. So and you get 13 brushes in this set. And then the bigger one that I have a video up on the you know, a review for that one. So like what you get in this box as well. So this is the Morphe James Charles complete set. You do get 34 brushes, so you do get face and eye brushes as well in that one. And that this big set is 152. Now, is it worth buying both, or do you think, you know, sometimes you get a question, isn't it? Do you think it's probably worth buying them both, or just buying just the one? It depends. If you're a makeup artist, or you're someone like me that being both, I need more, you know, I need the brushes. So for me, I'm not really fussed if it's if the brushes are doubles. So in this eye set, you do get pretty much a lot of doubles that you do get in here as well. Here you do get eye brushes, sometimes they're 2 or 3 doubles. So it depends, you know. If you're not fussed like I am, and you prefer to have more brushes so that you can change them all the time, so that you can have them for if you're doing on someone's makeup and stuff, and you don't, you know, you're worried of running out of brushes and stuff, then definitely, yeah, I mean, you know, I think it's worth it. I got mine on offer, so I got the big set on offer, and this one I bought full price, but you if you go and check the Morphe website, they do have these on offer quite often. So if you go on the sale section, they put them on and off. So they tend to put these brush sets, or even just like the single brushes, you know, on sale. So individual brushes or sets on sale. So if you go and have a look on the website, which I'm going to link below, like I said earlier, then you can see, because you can find great, you know, I mean, I think they're really, really good quality. Just seeing them, I'm really excited to actually try them on and tell you what I think a bit more about them. And so yeah, that's it for me today. So this is what I think about what I got in the brush set, the small brush set I set, and what I got individual bits and bobs. So yeah, so if you found this video interesting, if you like you know, like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to push the notification bell so you can be notified on every time that I upload. And please follow me on my social media as well. I'm on Facebook and Instagram. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for your time. Thanks for watching, and stay safe, guys. I hope you have a nice evening. Take care. Bye.